Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Tensorflow 2.x is installed and your environment can access required devices. Once done, choose a pretrained model source, Keras.applications for quick models, Tensorflow Hub for varied checkpoints, or a saved model from a repo, and import Tensorflow as tf plus numpy. Next, load a representative sample input and normalize it to the model's expected range. This first actionable step reduces debugging later and gets you straight into inference. Now you load the model and align your data pipeline to it. If using a saved model, call tf.keras models, load model path. For hub, wrap the handle in hub, keras layer. Then preprocess, resize images, cast to float 32 and scale to the model's expected range. Mismatch scaling is a common source of bad outputs. Once preprocessed, batch your inputs and build a tf. Dataset for efficiency. This lets you feed large datasets, use parallel map, and maintain consistent inference speed. Finish by running inference and exporting the working model. Use model. Predict dataset for batched evaluation or call model. Inputs, training equals false in eager mode to inspect outputs step by step. When satisfied, export with model. Save export path or convert to TF-Lite for edge deployment. Make sure to exclude the optimizer when you only need inference. If results look wrong, check input shape, dtype, and normalization versus the model signature. That single mismatch causes most failures, so verify those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.